In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell tickets on Viagogo using Ticketmaster Transfer. To get started, open Viagogo.com and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for the sell option and click it. This is where you begin creating your ticket listing. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you continue, because your listing details and payment setup will be tied to that profile. Next, search for your event. Type in the name of the concert, game, or show you want to sell tickets for, and select the correct event from the results. Take a moment here to double check the date, time, and venue so you're listing tickets for the exact event you actually have. After that, enter your ticket details carefully, including the seat and row information. Accuracy matters a lot at this stage because buyers rely on these details when deciding whether to purchase. If anything is entered incorrectly, it could create problems later, so it's worth slowing down and verifying everything before moving on. After your event and seat information are entered, set your listing price. Choose an amount you're comfortable with, keeping in mind that pricing too high may make the tickets harder to sell, while pricing competitively can help them move faster. Depending on the platform's layout, you may also see information about fees or estimated payout, so review that carefully before confirming the listing. You'll also need to choose how you want to receive payment. Select your preferred payment receiving method and make sure those payout details are fully set up so there are no delays once your tickets sell. Once your listing is live, the next part happens after someone buys the tickets. When the tickets are sold, Viagogo will provide the email address you need to use for delivery. At that point, go to your Ticketmaster account, open the order for the tickets you sold, and use Ticketmaster's transfer button. Enter the email address provided by Viagogo, exactly as shown, and then complete the transfer. Be especially careful here, because sending the tickets to the wrong email could cause delivery issues. After the transfer is completed, review the confirmation in Ticketmaster to make sure it was successfully sent. That's the core process. List the tickets on Viagogo, enter the correct event and seat details, set your price and payment method, and once the sale happens, transfer the tickets through Ticketmaster to the email Viagogo gives you. If you follow each part carefully and double check your details along the way, the process is usually straightforward.